multiple function call. Actually, you can use function call as many as you need. So open brackets to see how. As you can see, this is our previous function, names. Easily just type the function call that you want, such as names, parentheses, quotation marks, Nancy, comma, quotation marks, Marco, just an example. Another function call, names, parentheses, quotation marks, Maria, comma, quotation marks, Chris. After that, save the file and try it on terminal. Good, all the function calls work well. You actually can make it nicer to make a new line after each call. So to do that, inside the function definition, print a string \n. Try again on terminal and see. You see that? It's pretty good. Thank you very much.